Hello, how are you today? Today's lesson, I'm going to talk about the law of sacrifice. As you know, we are working with the laws. Everything works according to the laws, and your own mind. They work together. My mentor is Bob Proctor. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking to Result, and my mentor is Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor knew very well how the mind works and how the universal laws work. And he was very good with the universal laws and the mind. He knew very well how the mind works. And this is what I have learned. Everything to do with your own mind and the universal laws is nothing to do with other people, the family or friends, the colleagues or business. And you might be complaining about, but let me tell you that this is the truth. There's nothing to do with others. If you're not achieving your goals or you're stuck with something as your goals. So let me tell you the truth, and please stop blaming others and start taking the responsibility and start working with your own mind and the universal laws, and they work together. You have to know your laws, you have to know your own mind, and then you know and how you can achieve your goals. So this information, what I'm sharing with you, it works because Bob taught this information more than 60 years, and because it worked and still working. I have used it, it's worked for me, and still using it around my goals. I'm still trying to work around my goals. Every day I'm taking the action according to. So because I know everything to do with my own mind and the universal laws, nothing to do with others. So let me tell you that again. So today's law, I'm going to talk about the law of sacrifice. Are you sacrificing yourself? So this is what law I want to talk about, and the law of sacrifice. What is a sacrifice? And as you know, everything in the universe world, what we give, we receive back. So do you think we have to give ourselves to receive something? People are using this law. They think they have to sacrifice themselves. Let me tell you, no. You don't have to sacrifice yourself and burn out and give yourself. No. People are just working hard and they're giving themselves, and they think they have to sacrifice to achieve something or gain something. No, it's not like that. And law is, we have to understand that what is a law of sacrifice, what we have to sacrifice and to receive back, how we can give something and to receive something. Sacrifice means we have to give something to receive something. And people think they have to give their life, or they have to give themselves, or they have to work so hard, they have to give themselves so much and to receive back. Let me tell you, there's an easy way to receive back. But you have to understand your law of sacrifice. What do we have to sacrifice then to receive something? Do you know what is it? Is your lower nature. That's what we have to sacrifice. So you might be wondering, what do you mean the lower nature? Lower nature means, say you got the goals, you're trying to achieve something you want as your purpose, or something you want, or around your business, whatever you're working around. But doesn't matter, it's the same strategy. So what you have to give up as a sacrifice, you might be procrastinating it, and you're not taking the action every single day. And that is a lower nature. I used to be like that. Let me share my story. I used to never had the goals first place. And then I didn't know how to take an action every single day, like a do list. I never knew what is a do list is all about. But since I have done my training, Thinking to Result, oh my God, I'm like a persistent. I'm taking the action every single day. I'm doing the do list. I used to write them down, but now I do them in my mind, and I know what to do first and second and third. I do my do list in my mind now, and of course I used to write them my do list, and then what is my priority first, second, and third, and that was really great. You know what I have learned, and that because I have to sacrifice my like a lower nature, like being a lazy, or I will do it tomorrow, and just not to do the do list. Now, since I have done the thinking cruiser, I'm so persistent now. Soon I get up and I know what to do, what action I have to do, and it's all in my mind, and I just do it, and without any hesitation, and without saying, oh, I will do it tomorrow. I will make sure I have to do it today. So this is how I have programmed myself, and it's automatic now. It's on autopilot. Of course, from start, you have to start taking the action. You have to start slowly, step by step. Once you start doing that with small steps, and then you're going to become persistent, then you're going to become on autopilot. You know what is autopilot? Autopilot, how the plane flies, and they when they fly, they train, they control the control plane in a manual way. Once is on the sky, and they put it on autopilot, is flying, is automatic. So this is how our brain is. Once we start to train our brain, and is gonna happen automatically, you're gonna do things. So this is how the brain works. So this is what we are talking about, working with your own mind, and working with the universal laws. Universal laws says law of sacrifice. What are you sacrificing to receive something? What are you giving something to receive something? That's what it meant. So what are you giving up and to receive something? What is a lower nature you're gonna give up? You might be eating too much, maybe you're sleeping too late, and you're not getting up early in the morning, and you're trying to release the weight, and you're trying to not to eat the sugar. I used to eat a lot of sugar, but now my paradigm is not to eat sugar, because I have given up the sugar. Of course, sometimes I feel like taking them. I do take, but not like every single day, like 3 spoons in the morning, 3 spoons in the afternoon, 3 spoons in the evening, and 3 spoons before I sleep. No, not anymore, because I have programmed myself. I have given up the sugar now, and I only eat when I really have to, and the way I program my mind, you can do that same. And but you have to be persistent. You have to take a small step every single day. If you're doing your gratitude, you have to do every single day without missing the day, and then do it for 40 days. Then start again, all over again. Do the 40 days again. If you're reading a book, start with the small. You don't have to read a whole book or whole lesson. Just read 1 or 2 pages every single day. Or you want to do exercise, just do small steps. I'm doing small steps every single day, in the morning, in the evening. My health is great. So you can do the same thing. So what are you going to give up to receive something, your lower nature? Something you don't like, and you want to do it, and you're not doing it. Now on, you're going to do that. You're going to give up your lower nature. What are you going to sacrifice? This is a law. It works. Once you've given up something, and you have to start taking the action, you're always going to receive back. This is a law. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. After day, the night comes. After night, the day comes. It's an automatic process. Same with the laws. It's an automatic process in the universe world. It's working all the time. The energy you give, the energy you receive back. So what are you giving to replace with something, and you receive something? So that's what is the law is all about, the law of sacrifice. So what are you going to sacrifice? Because it's not helping you, it's not serving you. Release that, let it go, that habit, whatever the habit you're holding. And then to receive something, you have to give something to receive something. So that is a law of sacrifice. So what are you going to sacrifice? So I think that's all for today. And law of sacrifice is amazing law, and it's really helping me. I hope it's going to help you also. But take a small steps to give up something to receive something, and to replace something. We're doing just replacing the energy we don't want, and replacing with the energy we want. And that's how the law works. What you give, you receive back. We are swapping the energy. That's what we are doing. I can't pronounce that. That there is a law again. transmuting, or I can't pronounce that also. Anyway, energy, we're changing energy to energy, and that's what we are doing. And maybe I pronounce it next time properly. Thank you for watching the YouTube. And I would love to see your comments and where you are and what are you stuck with and what are you trying to achieve 2023. Send me the message, book on Zoom, and don't hesitate to, because I'm here to help. I'm not here to sell you something, but people only buy if it's going to help them. Other people don't buy some stuff, So don't hesitate to book and ask all the questions around your goals, or something you would like to learn around your goals, and I'm here to help you. And please leave your comments. I would love to read your comments, and thank you for watching the YouTube. I appreciate that, and letting me to share the information with you. All I'm doing just facilitating this lesson and what I have learned from Bob Proctor, and that's what I'm doing. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.